Daily thought, values. Let me tell you something. Don't let people look at you and judge you by the car you drive and the job you have. Now, look, having a nice car, having a nice job, yeah, they're great. But that's not what defines you. That's not what makes you who you are. And don't let people, I've met some females. What kind of car you drive? What do you do for what do you do for a living? You know what? Look, there's guys out here that have jobs that maybe some of us don't want. But you know what? They're good men. They're great men. And there's some women that are exactly the same way too. So don't let people think because you have to have a certain lifestyle, live in a certain house in a certain neighborhood, and drive a certain car and have a certain job to be more valuable than someone else. That's not what defines you. And if you're somebody that thinks that's what this is all about, then you're lost. You're completely lost. Because you don't even know what you are. Because you're following everybody else. You listen to everybody else and say, oh, well, he drives this and he drives that and it's good. Yeah, I got a BMW. I don't even drive it. It sits in the garage because I take the train to work every day. And we walk everywhere we go here. So what's that make me? What's that make me? I have a really good job with a corner office. Doesn't mean the doggone thing. I'm Paul. I'm here to help people. This is my calling and it's what I want to do. But bottom line is, that doesn't define who I am. It's who I am. It's who I wake up and look at in the morning every day. So remember that. It's not all the possessions you have that gives you value and makes you somebody. It's who you are. As always, YouTube and Facebook are up. Daily Thought. Find the true you. That's the value.